If you have been using Edge browser for a very long time and you have not tried Edge browser flag setting, you are missing a lot. In this video, I will show you on how to simply unlock some of the hidden features as far as Edge flags is concerned. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial on how best to use your Edge browser. So with that being said, let's find out. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Edge browser. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the address bar right here. And what you need to do is to simply type in Edge. When you type in Edge, make sure you type in colon, then //flags, and then hit enter. And in a few seconds, it's going to take you right here. So these are all available experiment flags that you can set with your Edge browser for performance, security, etc., or download speed, etc. You can scroll. The more you scroll down, right, there is much more flag setting that you can add to your Edge browser to enhance your browsing experience in terms of security, etc. There is more to learn as far as this Edge flag is concerned. For more detailed tutorial about how best to use flag setting in your Edge browser for security, performance, and smoothness and effective browsing with your Edge browser, consider to subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next tutorial about how best to use your Edge flag setting. So bye for now.